Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sea Slurp's Fresh Noodle Fridays. Today is a very special day because we're actually making noodles from scratch. We're making biang biang men or biang biang noodles. If you've seen those like hand-torn noodles from, say, Xi'an Famous Foods in New York City, this is what we're making today. It's a wheat noodle. I'll be serving it with a hot seared oil, garlic, Szechuan chili peppers, a little bit of cilantro, and a couple sauces. I made this one in the KitchenAid Stand Mixer. I also tried kneading it by hand, but I found the results were much better in the stand mixer, so let's go give it a try. If you guys like this recipe, don't forget to like, rate, and subscribe in the link down below. And don't forget to hit that notification bell at the top right corner so you don't miss any new videos that are coming out. We'll see you guys next week. Bye!